Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Panasonic 21 inches CRT TV. This vintage TV is not turning on but has a light indicator. I will show you how I'm going to fix it. If you are a beginner in repairing TVs and other electronic gadgets, you are on the right channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started. Another TV technician tried to repair it but it was not successful. Let's first measure the main capacitor voltage in the secondary section. The voltage is present at about 140 volts. Seems we don't have a problem with the main power supply. The horizontal output is not shorted. This is the horizontal driver transistor. Let's measure the transistor's voltage. The collector of the transistor voltage is about 19 volts only, it should be 140 volts. This is the B+ input of the flyback transformer and this is going to the horizontal transistor's collector. Let's measure the B+ input voltage. The voltage is only 23 volts, it should be 141 volts. Same as the main capacitor's volts. Let's trace this line if where it is connected. It connected to these two resistors, that connect to the B+ of the main capacitor. Both resistors are open. Maybe the horizontal transistor was been shorted and the resistors get opened. The first technician replaces only the horizontal transistor and he didn't replace the two resistors. The two resistors are connected in parallel. Let's remove the resistors. .3 ohms is the value of both resistors. I have 3.3 ohms but higher watts, which is okay. And 3.9 ohms and also higher ohms and watts, which is also okay. We have a 0.6 ohm higher. The two resistors' functions are overload protection. The 0.6 ohm higher is definitely not gonna trigger the overload protection. It's only a small amount of difference. Done soldering the two resistors. Let's try now if we have a voltage on the playback transformer B plus input. We have about 140 volts now. Adjusting the screen. And seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, so like the video and subscribe to this channel. And ring the notification bell. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again later. Bye for now.